Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best printer for product labels available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. It's considered as best printer for product labels for their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best printer for product labels, consumer ratings and reports. Number 1. ROLO Product Label Printer. High quality, internet-based customer service. Can be used equally well with both Mac and Windows. High printing rate at 150 mm per second. Has no height limitations on labels. The ROLO label printer is as fine as they come, and is hands down one of their best printer for product labels. Equipped with the latest thermal technology, it is an epitome of speed and efficiency. Number 2. DYMO 1738542 Thermal Label Printer. Can work as a stamp printer too. Works equally well with both Mac and Windows. Offers over 60 free templates to choose from. Comes with image editing software pre-installed. The 1738542 LabelWriter from DYMO is one of their best printers for printing labels. And this is a distinction that is not without merit. This particular product is known to offer an astounding 60 label templates to choose from, making it a highly desirable option. Number 3. HP Envy 5055 Wireless All-in-One Printer for making labels. Can connect to PC via Wi-Fi. Ink pre-order system available. Wireless connectivity enabled. Works as a scanner and copier too. HP is a brand that hardly needs an introduction. With years of experience creating the best office electronics, their Envy 5055 keeps true to its name. It inspires envy in those who don't possess this gem of a product. Number 4. DYMO Label Printing Machine. Easily portable, can print directly from doc or Excel file. Equipped with thermal printing technology, requires no ink or toners for working. This second product from DYMO is the Thermal LabelWriter 450. You should get this if you are on the path to save ink and cut down on costs. The main advantage and feature of this nifty product is the direct thermal printing technology is equipped with. This eliminates the need for ink and thereby takes a huge load off your wallet. Number 5. Brother PTouch Label Maker. Can be operated with Mac and PC. Very large font and font style library to choose from. Can be operated with batteries. Easy to use the keyboard for quick projects. The PTD600 is futuristic looking and has a keyboard-like appearance. This gives it an overall compact structure and allows you to monitor the labels you are making in real time. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.